Standard 7, Chapter 3, Algebra. Variables. A variable taken different value which is represented by x, y, z, etc. Variables. Take x, y, z, etc. A variable takes different values which is represented by x, y, z, etc. And constant has numerical values. Constant has numerical values. Numerical values means numbers. 7 minus 8. Next. 5/2 minus 3/4, etc. Terms and coefficient. We combine variables and constant using the mathematical operation addition, subtraction to construct algebraic expression. Terms and coefficient. Combine variable and constant using mathematical operation plus and minus, subtract, addition and subtraction to construct algebraic, find the algebraic expression. Example, 7y minus 8. 7y is a variable term. Constant term. Minus 8 is a constant term. Here two terms. This one is known as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. One example. Next, another one example. Algebraic term expression 8xy minus 3/4. Here two terms. This expression 8xy minus 3/4. Combine subtraction symbol. The algebraic expression two terms is called binomial. An algebraic expression can have one term is called a monomial. Next, two term called binomial. Three terms called trinomial. Example, monomial example, only one term, 3x, 7xy minus 8qp. Next, two term binomial. Binomial. Example, these two expressions are binomial. 3x plus 2y. One binomial expression. Another one binomial expression, minus 7pq minus 7. Next, 3-term trinomial. Trinomial expression. Example, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Next one expression, 7xy minus 9yz plus 5. 7xy minus 9yz plus 5. These are trinomial expressions. Two trinomial expressions. Next, more than 3 terms, one or more than terms is called an polynomial. An expression with one or more than is called polynomial, and the name polynomial. An expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. All the above expressions are called polynomial. Algebraic expression, all the algebraic expressions are called polynomial. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, more than 2 terms called polynomial. Revise. Only 1 term, monomial. 2 terms, binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. 1 or more terms is called polynomial. Above all of the expressions are polynomial. Next, coefficient of a term. In a term of an algebraic expression, each factor or group of factors is called the coefficient of the remaining factors. The number in the variable terms is called the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Example, one numerical expression, one time take 7xy. 7, the term 7xy. This is one term. 7xy Seven is the coefficient of remaining factor product. XY ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் கூட உள்ள கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் த ரிமைனிங் டேர்ம் 7. நெக்ஸ்ட் 7xy xக்கு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் x term consider பண்ணும்போது இதுக்கு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் of the term 7y remaining இருக்குது 7y is the coefficient of 7x. X is the coefficient of 7y. Next y consider பண்ணும்போது 7xy y variable y take the coefficient 7x remaining the 7y. This terms 7 is the numerical coefficient. 7 is the numerical coefficient. And the coefficient of xy is variable take xy. The coefficient is 7. 7 is the numerical coefficient. Number மட்டும் வந்திருக்கு numerical coefficient. Next, the coefficient of x term. x variable எடுத்தா balance இருக்குது எல்லாமே நம்பர்ஸும் letters வரக்கூடியது ரெண்டுமே என்னது 7y is the coefficient. The coefficient of y is y variable take 7x is the coefficient. Here 7 is the numerical coefficient. Seven is the numerical coefficient of the term 7xy. 7xy க்கு numerical coefficient 7. This is another one example. Given one term minus 6ab. 6ab. First ab ke coefficient of ab term coefficient is minus 6. Minus 6 is the numerical coefficient of this term, given term. Next, a ki coefficient of a is minus 6b. Minus irukku minus சேர்த்து எடுக்கணும். Next, coefficient of b. b ki coefficient this term, question this term, b ki coefficient minus 6a. Understand? Like and unlike term. The terms of an expression have the same variables are called like terms. ஒரு expressionல same variables வரும்போது அந்த termsலாம் like terms. Otherwise, they are called unlike term. Example, one expression 7x plus 5x minus 8x minus 2. Here the expression have 4 terms. This one is 7x is first term. Next 5x second term. Minus 8x third term. Minus 2 constant term fourth term. So the expression have 4 terms. The expression எத்தனை term இருக்குது 4 terms. So another name polynomial. The variables are x, x, x. All the time x only a variable. So this one is a like term. Next, otherwise, different types of variables. Okay, the expression, these are unlike terms. Example, 14xy minus 7y minus 12x minus 10. The expression have 4 terms. This expression have 4 terms. First one variables xy. xy is the first term variable. Next term variable y. Next term variable x. Another term variable not given. So this one is numerical value only. This one is constant term. Constant term. Next, the variables are different variable xy, y, x. xy, y, x. So these terms are unlike terms. Unlike terms. Let's try this sum. Identify the like terms among the following and group them. 7xy, 19x, 1, 5y, x, 3yx, 15, minus 13y, 6x, 12xy, minus 5, 16y, minus 9x, 15xy, 23, 45y, minus 8y, 23x, minus y, 11. Next, listen, the variables are, following variables are, first xy term, next x term, next constant term, number numerical number மட்டும் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் constant term, 1 minus 1 15 minus 5 23 11 constant term. Next என்ன வேரியபிள்லாம் இருக்குது xy இருக்குது xy. Next x separately x term. Next y variable yx and xy same, product of x and y and x. These two terms are same variables, like terms. Next y variable. Next group them. Like terms x என்ன term equal இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் like terms. So xy term, xy term 7xy, next 3yx, next 12xy, 15xy. That's all. Next x term, 19x, x, 6x, next minus 9x, 23x. Next y term. Y term 5y minus 13y 16y 45y minus 8y, next minus y is on y term. These first xy term, these all terms are like terms. Same variables வரக்கூடிய terms இதெல்லாமே like terms. Next x termல உள்ள இதெல்லாம் அடுத்த another like terms. Next y termல உள்ளது another like. Next constant terms, right? Constant term இதெல்லாம் இருக்குது, குரூப் ஒன்று சொல்லியிருக்காங்களா. Next 1, next 15 minus 5 23 11. This terms is a constant terms.